Hello, my crafting friends. Thank you so much for visiting me here on my channel, Markets of Sunshine. I'm Marcia. Thanks for joining me. So today, this video, I'm doing a channel collaboration with my friend Linda Coker over at Books and Icky Chic Designs here on YouTube. We are Facebook admin partners, and we both have an Etsy shop, and we sell our own unique handmade cards, journals, embellishments, and supplies. And I have a vintage shop that I sell all kinds of vintage goodies in, so you can check those out. Those will be in the description below. But I am doing a series this year, and junk journal ideas, scrapbooking ideas, card making ideas video, and it's called Tips and Project Ideas in 10 minutes. So we're going to try to keep this video to 10 minutes, and I think I'm going to have to start setting me a timer or something like that, so because I mean I can just, you know, get into the project and the next thing you know it's a half-an-hour project. So to make it quick and easy today, we're going to take one project at a time. Instead of doing and cramming all these different tips into a video, I'm going to give you one tip and then show you how to do that. So this one is a quick and easy one. So super easy. And you're going to be able to clean all of the scraps off your desk, get all those bags that we are hoarding all these scraps in. And if you've watched my channel for a while, you've seen me do an organizing video and how I recommended taking Ziploc bags and just taking your scrap pieces and keeping it in Ziploc bags. And then when you're wanting to do collages or a little project, you've got them ready. But now we're going to take that to another new level. So we already have been using book pages in our crafting and journaling and card making, embellishing. So now we're going to do something with the book pages. And if you've seen me do my food diary, or what did I call it? Hold on just a second. Okay, my plan with me videos when I do my monthly spread and my journal layouts. So you've seen me give you these tips, but I'm going to go over them because there's a lot of new people here on my channel, so you've not seen me do this before. So when you're going to get a composition notebook that you pick up at the Dollar Tree or Dollar Store or Walmart, and the pages are thin, they're lined pages. Well, the book paper is thin like that too. We don't want the gloss paper we're talking about, just the regular matte papers. So we're going to take 2 of the pages at a time and we're going to glue them together. And we're going to do that through the whole book as we go along. We don't need to do it at first. And then we're going to take the scraps out of our bag or off of our desk, and we're going to start just collaging, and they're going to be in any random order. So this is one of those stress-free craft projects. Okay, so the 10-minute tip is to get an old book. As you can see, this has been water damaged. Paperback is nice, and they're usually cheaper. Like if you go to the library, they have a lot of free books you can find at the library. They just throw them away, or they're, you know, you pay very low amount to give a little donation to the library. So you can pick them up there. Garage sales, ask friends. They might have some old books too if you don't have any. But if you've been crafting for a while, you have old books. But that's one of the other tips, is you want to pick up old books. You want book pages, in other words. Okay, so I've done 2 pages here already just to show you. Look at how quick and easy it is. So on this first one, I just put down whatever I wanted to. The same thing on this one. And, you know, it can be any order. Like as you see here, I've got these going on an angle here. I have a circle punched there. And so whatever I had on my desk, whatever's in this bag, is what's going to go here. And how I'm to do this is a glue stick. So I use the Scotch permanent glue. And you want to go all the way around the edges. And then you want to go in the center of the book, out like this. And just make sure you're getting it covered just so that those first pieces are going to be staying put. And then you're going to fill your book up, and that way you're for getting rid of all the scraps. And now, instead of having all these pieces in bags or boxes or bins, they're in the book. And that's a whole lot easier to store. I have a bookcase right here beside my craft table, and so it's very easy for me now, and I will just make sure that I put, you know, either if I don't remember that that's what I did, then I will put something to, you know, label it or whatever, but I think I'll remember this. But isn't this a cool idea? I just thought this was so clever. So it gives us our 10-minute tip and a project video all in one. And now once we get all the pieces glued in place, then we are going to trim off these edges. I'll show you that. Okay, so when you have little strips like this, and then you get down to where you just have a little opening, they work perfect. So I thought, you know, I said, what would I ever use those little pieces for? But I kept them on my desk the other day. And then when I said, you know what, this is a great project to do that with, so I was so happy that I didn't throw those all little pieces away. I mean, I have so many of these. So isn't this a cool idea? So now all you need to do, turn the pages over and then trim off right up next to the page. And then you have more to do this again on the next page, and you just keep going through. And then now we're going to take one of those first pages and I'm going to show you a little project that we can make with it. Okay, so see, now we've got more little scrap pieces, but don't toss them. They can be used. Try to get everything over out of the way. All right, so now I'm going to take and tear out these first pages that I did. I did these just yesterday. So it was just overnight. So overnight is all you need to do. And look, so I'm going to fill this book up and I will have lots and lots of embellishing pages. So when we're going to make a tag out of these today. So this is a quick and simple project idea. Okay, so we're going to make smaller tags. If you wanted to make a larger tag, you can do that. So I'm just going to take and hold a tag up against it. This is one of the ways that I like to do things. Take something to hold it with. You can, whatever kind of a clamp that you have. I like to use the clothespins just to hold it into place. And then you just use the tag as a guide. Quick and easy. And now you have a tag ready to go. So when you make a pocket on a journal page. Cute. See? See how easy that is? Look at how nice that is. I love this dragonfly thing. So let me see how can I incorporate his wings. So if I go over this way, go that way, I'm going to lose him. If I go this way, I'm going to lose it if I go this way. Okay, this one I might. Yeah, there you go. I'll go this way. Sometimes you have a focal point like that that you don't want to lose. So now I have two tags, and then I have a little itty bitty baby. I don't know, should we make a tag out of this or just leave it for something? I like it like this. I think I'll leave it, and it can be like a tuck spot on a page. I like that. So always keep a template, a tag template handy, and then you'll be able to make your tags quick and easy like this. And so there you go. So out of one little book page, then we were able to make two tags and have a little tuck spot left over, and these measure 2 5/8 by 4 1/8. So it doesn't matter whatever size you want them to be. Cute as can be. Do you like this idea? If you do, leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel. You'll get more fun, creative ideas and projects here on the channel. And head over to my friend Lena Coker's channel. It'll be in the description box below. Join our Facebook group, Junk Journal Junction. And when I reach 900 subscribers, I'll be doing another giveaway. So at each 100 subscriber increment, I'll be doing giveaways. So thank you so much for being here with me today. Keep creating in the sunshine. Stay safe. Like the video, share the video. That all helps me to get found in search. Bye-bye.